Django-DB-Migrations, cannot alter table because it has pending trigger events. I want to remove null equals true from a text field. I created a schema migration. Since some footer columns contain null, I get this error if I run the migration. Django.db.utils.integrity error, column footer contains null values. I added this to the schema migration. Now I get. What is wrong?
Every migration is inside a transaction. In PostgreSQL, you must not update the table and then alter the table schema in one transaction. You need to split the data migration and the schema migration. First, create the data migration with this code. Then create the schema migration. Now you have two transactions and the migration in 2 steps should work.
Have just hit this problem. You can also use db.start_transaction and db.commit_transaction in the schema migration to separate data changes from schema changes. Probably not so clean as to have a separate data migration, but in my case I would need schema, data, and then another schema migration, so I decided to do it all at once.
Another reason for this may be because you try to set a column to not null when it actually already has null values.
At the operations, I put set constraints.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.